Hey yo, it's your boy SelfMade Losa coming at you with another video, you feel me? I mean, this gonna be the third video, you feel me? The third. It was supposed to be the fourth, but I deleted my first video by accident, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get into that later though, you know what I'm saying? And through the days, you know, go on. So, what we're gonna be doing here today, shorty, about PA, you feel me? Know what I mean? Come slide up on me, you know what I'm saying? What we're gonna be doing today is, I mean, we're just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna be chilling with my, nephews and friends, you feel me? I mean, and family a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So you might see a little bit of conflict, a little bit of joking around. So, I mean, chill, just like that. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new. And
It's your self-made Losa coming at you with another
I got the camera on deck, shorty, know what I'm saying? You back at it, you feel me? Gangsta. When I always record, it's nothing funny going on. Yeah, because you're looking a little bit rusty. A little bit rusty. Zoom in on that motherfucker.
Stupid!
All you YouTube bitches.
Hell no. I ain't got none. This guy's on an important business call, you feel me? I'm about to switch the camera over there, you feel me? Nah, I'm saying that because y'all can see that nigga over there. Put it on my bed. Cold, shoot. This nigga light skin, yo.
I'm dirty damn. Head ass boy.
Hold up. This guy. This guy. You looking like skinned.
Let me holler at you.
What the frick? Oh shit. Yo, dumb. So wait, what time we going to see this goddamn It movie? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm going to see It, guys. You know what I'm saying?
Starting to we leaving at 9:30.
What?
Yeah. Yo, you see how you
Trying to hit a nigga with the frying pan.
That's why you gotta work on the big boy for niggas like you.
Gay!
Let's say you gotta bring out the
That's
big.
crazy as hell, yo.
You got the fucking.
This nigga got everything over there, including the hammer. He's got the pans and shit.
Go grab him. Shit. You know what I'm saying?
Start
Yeah.
pulling out teeth.
Oh fuck no, baby.
Start with your bitch ass.
Oh shit.
Why you just doing that bitch just sneeze?
I'm gonna be like, hey, man.
Swing.
Cat gonna go.
The fuck? The clamps? The clamps. Hold
Oh, yeah, I
on.
forgot you're a cat lover. What you about to do?
Yeah, I'm a dog lover, yo.
Red.
I like dogs.
I like turtles.
So you going or not, nigga?
He's scared.
You scared you gonna wake up
I
late?
gotta get up in the morning, bro. I'll be oversleeping, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm a late sleeper. Night walker. Fuck you talking.
You said night
I'm
walker.
smooth as
You
shit.
say you a night walker, but we night walking right now. Your ass trying to go to sleep.
I got work when I'm off. I can night walk. You feel me?
Tripping. This guy.
So when I'm off, I can night walk. When he off, he's in the
This guy.
That's a lie.
Depends.
I like you wanting to link.
These guys. Feel me? Going to the movies real quick, you know what I'm saying? You feel?
Still can't
Shut your ass up.
Get your bitch ass in there.
Go ahead.
Get your bitch, yo.
Not going
You're
out
not
there.
doing this. Get in there.
Not going in there. Niggas don't hold the doors, yo. Niggas, you feel me? I mean, niggas open the doors for themselves, feel me? Yeah. That way.
Don't say too much, Amy. She be telling you to tell you something right now.
That shit is the bomb. I like that movie. That movie hard. We gotta go. I gotta watch that. I done seen the preview. Yo, stop rushing me, yo. Know what I'm saying? This is funny, yo.
No, you didn't. How you gonna get into the movie if you're walking out?
Stupid!
What did you tell him about?
You did-
Don't tell him that.
Who showing off?
My wallet's in the car because I got snacks.
She got on the. That ain't a Jimmy Max. Oh, shit. This guy.
You better not post this.
I can't.
Post this?
I can't promise.
Get from
feel
me.
She dumb as shit. Yeah, you on YouTube, nigga. Feel me? Yeah. So come on.
No, we not.
That's my man's D right there. You feel me? Dizzle. Huh?
Come over here with that.
So what, nigga? That's that nigga Brandon from over east. Y'all might know that nigga. He might owe you some money too.
He said he might owe you money.
I'll buy the icy.
Are y'all getting popcorn?
I'm getting the icy.
We getting the strippers. What you getting? You in the bottom?
Who buying my ticket?
I got the 50s for the tickets.
Who buying my ticket?
You buy your ticket yet? You a dumb motherfucker.
Yo,
That's what you want.
y'all ain't buying my ticket. I drove y'all niggas, man.
You got your seat next to us.
Say no, hold
You
on.
know what we said?
You feel me?
Where you sit?
All right, we are.
Oh, what's our seat?
You got the damn ticket.
So where is it? Where is it?
Just know we in the front. Nobody else is up front.
Damn.
fuck is it?
8, 6, and
Oh.
7. It's like you know we the first ones.
Wait, 86.
Why is you recording?
Yo, stop, my nigga.
Yo,
You
dumb as
recording
shit.
the damn.
Shit.
You
Got you,
grown
nigga. I
man.
gotta record.
No, Brandon got 5.
No, I gotta got 5. I'm all blood, shorty.
5 is a whole seat behind us.
Why would he sit
Brandon got
behind
6.
us?
I got 5.
Guys.
I got seat A4.
What the freak?
Y'all is geek. I feel like we gonna be sitting all the way up where the little thing is
Hey.
protecting us.
Y'all gonna be sitting
Nigga,
down.
pay for your
You don't
damn
pay
ticket,
for
yo.
Yo, can y'all like can
gotta
y'all move?
I
You
was
feel?
just
You
No.
Oh, damn.
You're not entering the YouTube, but you don't want money.
Feel
Somebody
me?
need to stand in line. All these
Gotta get this
Somebody
money.
need to make sure this nigga's cool. He can't go by himself.
Yo, hold this.
I tried to hold it. You just
Call me, nigga.
Come on, man. What your dumb ass? This niggas.
Swipe E. Should not work. How much is it? $10?
Nigga, y'all right care with these niggas, man. These niggas is really something different. Yo, you ain't got no goddamn business.
You want to check us out, shorty?
What the freak? Hold up, yo. I mean, going to see this goddamn movie, It, you feel me? I'm gonna tell y'all how it is, you feel me, when I get up in that motherfucker. But right now, we're going to get some snacks, you feel me? Yeah, D looking at me all crazy and shit. You can follow her on Instagram. Her name Crazy D. It's like, no, I'm just playing.
You might as well stop before.
Bro, shit, you dummy.
What? I'm mad as shit, Joe.
You fake mad. Stop. Nigga be fake mad.
I just gave it to you, Courtney. I had to.
I said, where's the fucking black? Nigga just came out the movie theater, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I went to sleep on that shit, just to be honest with y'all, you know what I'm saying? No. Oh, hell no. That shit better not be told. I see that shit. What's right there? Oh, pretty blue. Shorty. So yeah, that shit was phony, you feel me? On kids. I mean, I ain't never going back to this goddamn. I ain't never going back to this movie theater ever again. You feel me?
Everybody wasn't only in that movie.
Okay. But it's still clear.
I was nodding off. My man Brandon said, "Wake up, nigga."
I want to find my blend.
Yo, Courtney, look, I want you to drive home.
Now you want me to drive home.
Yeah, but don't crash my car.
You can't drive.
No, cause I'm sleepy. I don't feel like drive.
I was capping.
Okay, I see you with the Mazda. Oh fuck no. Hey, someone will kick that.
Bitch, I play for the Rays. What the fuck you talking about?
Yo said I'm a kicker. They kick that shit all the way over that motherfucker. This guy. Yo.
Oh man, give me home, man.
Hey guys. Hey my loved ones. Hey everybody that's fucking with me, you know. I'm out, you know. I didn't really make a, you know, like a last conversation with y'all, so I hope y'all like this video, you feel me? Like and subscribe. Cause it's Saturday and I'm supposed to be posting, you feel me? So yeah. I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe, like it, love it, and I'm out.
Trauma time.
I've been trapping, I've been swiping, yeah, the same day. Me and Shooter, we don't win it, finesse the same play. Oh, you feeling me? Well, babe, I feel the same.